family, it is I, back again with another pantry. What's in my pantry haul? Never can get that right. Quite right. But anyway, family, I am here to show you my survival canned meat haul. I don't have a lot of canned meat, but I have enough canned meat over here for my husband and I. So, I did share with you guys, if you are now watching news, you should now be informed about the meat shortage and some food shortages. Because the stores, let me tell you, baby, the meat in some stores, like for example, I told you about Sam's Club, they cleaned the chicken out. The chicken cleaned out. Meat scattered, very few pieces. Now, today, I don't mean to scare or, let me see, make people feel some kind of threatened way emotionally about not being prepared because they don't know how to get some more meat or nervous about finding some meat. For lack of better words, I'm trying to express myself about this as clearly as I possibly can, family. So, yes, there will be, according to the news I'm reading, meat shortages, and because of a meat shortage, the prices of some meats will be more pricier, and limits on meat will remain. Like I said in my previous video, my meat was taken out of my basket and I was hurt by that. But anyway, I found another store, which I shall not name, because if I share, I'm not trying to be selfish or anything like that. This store is in the cut and not a lot of people going in there, and it's, it's a name brand store, and they had a few more pieces of meat than these other stores. So my husband and I, the other day, we were able to get the meats that we needed. Like for instance, I told y'all I was craving some beef roast. So we do have beef roast now. I bought a beef roast. It was like $33. I chopped that baby up into 6 roasts. We don't need a lot. We just need enough. So I made 6. I created 6 roasts out of 1 roast. I cut that baby up. A sirloin roast. I forgot the full name of it. But anyway, it's a good roast. And you see, I do have all the ingredients over here, because I have stocked up on so many different kinds of food. We like a restaurant up in this bitch. I'm sorry, but this bitch like a restaurant up over here. I have what I need, and I am enjoying the hell out of it. I come in this kitchen, go to my created pantry, because well anyway, forget all that. I've just created a pantry where I store my foods that now, it's been a while. I'm flip-flopping what I'm trying to say to y'all. But I have never bought this amount of groceries. I've been a couponer before, so hey, this is nothing to me. I know I'm flip-flopping again, changing the subject. I used to be a couponer and had dozens and plenty of several different kind of items, and costing me mere pennies just getting stuff. I still have stuff in my stockpile from when I used to coupon. Toothbrushes, all kind of deodorant, all kind of stuff still in my stockpile, and that's just a whole nother different story about that. But anyway, let me get back on track. What was I saying? Oh, it's like a freaking restaurant up in this bitch over here, because I have ingredients I need to come in here and fix my husband and prepare food for us. I got my seasonings y'all seen in a previous video. I'll just add in a picture in case some of y'all forgot. I'm not over here bragging. Don't get me wrong. I'm not bragging because I know it's a lot of people in the world. They hungry, starving, whatever, going to have to go to food banks and stuff like that. This is not my purpose. I'm not bragging or trying to make light of the situation. I'm just sharing what I have, what I spent my money on, and to get what my husband and I have over here to to eat off. So this is not a bragging thing or nothing like this. This is just let me sharing with my family or whoever wants to watch this video to let y'all see that I've been working really hard to collect some food to make sure that we got what we need to eat and what we want to eat. We in our 60s and they're age bashing old folks, some of the young folks, because they think they can't get the coronavirus and it's just an old people disease, or might I say a black person disease they trying to make it out to be. Because I don't know why. I know I'm finna change the subject. My sister told me not to do it, but I can't hold back right now. Why do they think some folks in this world think only black people are obese, only have high blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, and etc. And only some black folks love to eat fried chicken and watermelon and pork chops and all that stuff, like white folks and other races don't love fried chicken, pork chops, and watermelon. Get out of here. Have y'all ever seen that show on TV with all them these big fat obese white people stuffing themselves with fried chicken, spaghetti, pizza, and all that stuff? And Dr. Now, if y'all seen that show, not trying to advertise it, my 600-pound life. So get out of here trying to make it seem like only black people are obese and got all these pre-existing health conditions, like white folks don't have any kind of health issues, or they can't have high blood pressure and all this stuff. Lies. Why are y'all even... You got to be completely a fool to believe that only black folks have these conditions and we only love fried chicken. Like white people don't love fried chicken. Get out of here. Check that show out, My 600-Pound Life. You'll see some incredibly huge obese white folks on there, okay? Get out of here with that nonsense. Black folks do know how to eat healthy, just like any other race of people that choose to eat healthy. If you don't want to eat healthy, then you know there's plenty of junk food out there that you can eat, and you will get obese. Fine. So don't come at us black folks. I'm not trying to speak for all black people, but I'm just getting my point across. It's just my opinion. All black folks, only black folks are not obese and love only eating like fried chicken and stuff to make us sick. All other races experience the same thing. Get out of here. You guys are retarded saying that stuff. That's just my opinion. I'm not trying to be the voice for all black people, but black people, I'm sure they pissed off at these statements too. And y'all, some folks treating black folks like we got the plague, like we carrying the coronavirus and contaminating everybody. Get out of here. And only white folks can go out, and if you think it's a black folks disease, and the white folks want to go out there, say, open back up our cities, open up, let us back out. Go on out there. The virus ain't going nowhere. If you sick, you sick. But I'm just going to stay safe, and I wish my family to stay, I want my family to stay safe too. And don't be ignorant going out there thinking that you can't get sick because you're not old or you don't have any pre-existing conditions. Watch the news and look at the information they sharing about who getting sick and who dying. Young children dying, young folks dying. Y'all carrying on. Do what you want to do. Go on out there and just do what you want to do. Everybody that don't want to do, they don't have to do that. So it's a choice. You make your choice. You want to go out there in the coronavirus infected air and places and crowded with people, because believe me, it's crowded back out there. These stimulus checks, these people that got their checks and they out there buying stuff. They all in the street now. It's smog back again, cars everywhere, people everywhere. You can't help but bump into somebody, and then if anybody notices, they got the count of how many people are infected now. It's growing really fast now since everything's been back open up. So don't be fooled and think it's okay. So anyway, let me get back to the food thing. I just carried on about that, but I just had to just voice my opinion on the subject about that issue. But anyway, I know this video is going to be longer than I want it to be. But anyway, this is my canned meat haul. For my husband and I, we got some pink salmon. Skinless and boneless bumblebee pink salmon. I have 8 cans of those. We have some bumblebee club mackerel. I have only 4 cans of those because, like I said, the meat, people are snatching this meat up. And as you can see, I do have some mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise for the to make the meat salads, like what they call it, seafood salad, because it is like fish food. I have sardines. I have more sardines coming, and I have 1 can of the sardines in the hot sauce. And as you can see, I have a bumblebee tuna here. I have some more bumblebee tuna coming. So this here is my pretzels I got for my husband. He's so happy I got these pretzels for him. He loved these pretzels. He said they nice and fresh. Big old giant jar. And ladies and guys, I know y'all both in the kitchen, whatever. I'm gonna use this jar. This is a 30 ounce. This is a 1 pound 14 ounce jar. And when this jar is empty, I'm gonna use this to store my rice in. Cause I like buying containers like this. You know, when it's empty, you can store dry goods in there. Cool, really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to share this haul right here, a survival haul for meat, some of our meat products that I'm stocking up on, because I don't know what the future holds on account of this virus. They say they got some what is it? They got some kind of medicine to lessen the impact or make you get better faster, but I don't think it's a cure, I believe. But do your research, check the news out. Don't take my word for everything. Just do your own research. Look at the news and check, you know, what's going on with the meat and all that stuff. But believe me, don't believe me, I can't say all that. But anyway, just do your research. But anyway, my husband and I, we gonna be all right, because Jadita Baker's sure that, and I'm stocking up on stuff. But I never had canned salmon, so we gonna have some salmon, some seafood salad over here. Cause remember what I said, we got mayonnaise for our potato salad, chicken salad, pasta salad, egg salad, what did I say, bean salad, and now the seafood salad and the pasta salad, I probably left one out. But anyway, we have all the ingredients for me to make some great salads, even a green salad. Because I forgot to share, I'll put that in the pictures. We did get some cucumber, and I had some celery, a couple of packs of celery in my last order. And well, I'll just show you in another video. This one is quite long, so I'm going to cut this short right now. I have voiced my opinion. Sister, I couldn't hold back, but it just got on my nerves. I know a lot of stuff I said is just bouncing from one subject to the other, and I apologize for that, family. Stay safe, stock up, get you some food. Don't be waiting and let the meat prices get all high and then you can't afford the meat at all. Get you some potted meat if you can, because some of these things I got is nothing but water and the fish, and it has a little salt in it, and I'm sure that you could do something to lessen the salt of it or something like that. Don't eat as much of it or something, or mix it in with something else. All right, that's it, y'all. Bye, family. Take care.